This is your English reader book, Marigold. And today I am going to teach you Unit 1. Every unit has one poem and one story. So today we will begin with the Unit 1, Poem 1. First of all, have a look at this page. Just see what all can you see on this page. Here you can see a little girl who is standing and she is smiling. She is standing with her arms open and you can see how she is smiling. She is standing near the window and looking out of the window. Now you can see here, this is the sun and you can see the sun is also very happy. It is smiling. Now come down here. You can see some trees. You can see here a bird. You can see here some grass. You can see here some flowers. Here you can see a bee. And here you can see some birds are flying. So we see many things when we wake up early in the morning and look outside. You can see many things outside, and all these things are called nature, the things around you. These are all nature. And the title of the poem is Good Morning. So when you wake up early in the morning, you say good morning to your parents, to your elders and everyone at home. We greet each other good morning. And this good morning, it is a way of salutation. It is a good manner. ये एक अच्छा manner होता है, good manner होता है कि हमें एक दूसरे को wish करना चाहिए सुबह. And morning, you know, it is the best time of the day because morning our mind is very fresh. And in this poem, Good Morning, it tells about the early morning, जब हम सुबह सोकर उठते हैं, उस टाइम के बारे में बताया गया है इस पोएम में. और जबकि सूरज जो है, when the sun is shining bright in the sky, and you can see the birds, you can hear the birds singing, you can see that the wind is blowing very lightly, the wind is blowing, and you can hear the sound of the bees buzzing, and the trees and the grass all look very fresh, very green, very beautiful. It looks the nature. So this poem Good Morning, it is all about nature and how the child reacts after seeing the nature and how to appreciate nature. Nature की तारीफ कैसे की जाती है उसके बारे में है ये पोयम. Okay. और ये जो पोयम है Good Morning, this poem Good Morning, it is written, it is composed by Fanny R. Buchanan, Fanny Rebecca Buchanan, and it is about the early morning, जो दिन की शुरुआत होती है, the beginning of a new day. So in this poem, the poet Fanny R. Buchanan has written about a little girl. You can see here this little girl. He has written about this little girl who says good morning to the sun, to the sky, to the birds, to the bees, to the flowers, to the winds, to everyone. She says good morning. And after saying good morning, she asks a question to them, that how did you come to know that the night is over? How did you come to know that it is morning now? How did you wake up? And then she expresses her desire to go out and play with them, to play in the nature. So now let us just have a look at the poem. Let us read the poem now. Here, the title of the poem is Good Morning. So let us read. Good morning sky. So here the little girl is saying good morning to the sky. वो आसमान को, खुले आसमान को good morning बोल रही है. Good morning sun. And then she says good morning to the sun which is shining brightly in the morning. सूरज को वो good morning बोल रही है. Good morning little winds that run. And then the little girl says good morning to the little winds. जो हवाएं चलती हैं, सुबह सुबह जो हवाएं चलती हैं एकदम lightly, the light winds that move, वो उनको good morning बोल रही है. Good morning birds. And then she says good morning to the birds. Every day morning we can hear the sound of the birds. Very nice it looks. good morning trees. And then she says good morning to the trees which look so fresh, so green. And creeping grass. And then she says good morning to the grass. So what is the meaning of creeping grass? Creeping means like the grass is moving very lightly. When the wind blows, the grass moves. So creeping means to move slowly. So that is why the poet tells and creeping grass, because the grass is moving very slowly along with the winds. And brownie bees. Here bees means the honey bees. We are talking about honey bees. And the poet tells this, describes the bees brownie because they are brown in color. So that's why they are called brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? And now the poet asks, now the girl is asking a question to this all, that how did you find out that it is day? सुबह हो गई है, तुम्हें कैसे पता चला? How did you find out? Who told you night had gone away? तुम्हें किसने बताया? Who told you that the night is over? रात खत्म हो चुकी है. I am wide awake. So she tells I am wide awake. मतलब मेरी आंखें बिल्कुल खुली है. Wide मतलब बिल्कुल चौड़ी. Wide. Awake मतलब जगी हुई हूँ मैं. I am not sleeping. I am awake. I am up now too. तो वो बोल रही है कि I am up now. मैं भी तैयार हूँ अब तुम्हारी तरह. I'll be right out to play with you. और मैं अभी बाहर आ रही हूँ to play, तुम्हारे साथ खेलने के लिए. The girl wants to play with the nature. She wants to play amidst the nature. So this is the poem. So let us read the poem once. Good morning sky. Good morning sun. Good morning little winds that run. Good morning birds. Good morning trees. And creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night had gone away? I'm wide awake. I'm up now too. I'll be right out to play with you. So children, did you all enjoy the poem? Now, let us discuss some new words. There are some new words. Let me talk about those new words now. Like here you can see creeping. As I told you, creeping means to move slowly. Okay, creeping means to move slowly. And then come to the next word, gone away. Gone away. Gone is the third form of the verb go. Second form went and third form is gone. Go, went, gone. Gone away means जो जा चुका है, which has gone. I'm wide awake. Awake. The new word here now is awake. Awake means मैं जगी हुई हूँ, मैं सो नहीं रही हूँ. I am awake. Arise. I'm up now too. I'll be right out to play with you. Okay. So children, now here let us come to the book. Now when you turn the next page, reading is fun. So here there are some questions. The first question, why is the child in the poem happy? So why do you think the child is happy? Because the night is over and it is morning. It's a very good morning. So that's why the child is happy. Now next question. To whom does the child say good morning? तो वो child जो है वो girl किस किस को good morning बोलती है? So she says good morning to the sky, sun, little winds, birds, trees, creeping grass, brownie bees. Okay, to all this she tells them all good morning. Now next, what does the child want to do? What does she wants to do? She wants to play with them. Okay, she wants to play with them. Now come to the next part, that is word building. Find words in the poem which rhyme with. So you have to find the rhyming words from the poem. First word is bees, and the rhyming word for bees is trees. Okay, this is the rhyming word bees, trees. Rhyming words means which have the same sound. Now next word is day, and the rhyming word for day is away. Day, away. Then the next word is two, and the rhyming word for two is you. Two, you. You can hear the same sound. They have the same sound. Bees, trees. Day, away. To, you. Now here down you can see there are two boxes, and what you have to do here is you have to draw the pictures of whatever you see around you during the day and night. Like during the daytime we see the sun, we see the trees, we see birds, we see flowers, we see butterflies. So you can draw whatever you see in the morning, you can draw them here and color them. And here the next box, night time. What do you see in the night time? We see in the night time, we see the stars, we see the moon, and we see bats. Bats means not that cricket bat. This is the chamkadar. Okay, we see those bats during the night time. Now come to the next page. Here you can see, write two words each from the two pictures you have drawn. तो इसमें जो अभी आपने टू पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ की हैं, आपको उसमें से कोई भी दो चीजों के टू वर्ड्स के नाम लिखने हैं. Like in the day you can write whatever you have drawn, like sun, trees, flowers, birds, bees, butterflies, anything. कोई भी दो चीजों के आपको नाम लिखने हैं. And here night time, whatever you see, like the moon, the stars or bats, any two things, you have to write the names of any two words. So this is all about your chapter. Thank you.